Hello guys, and welcome to American Signal headquarters. Here is the graveyard behind their building. And right here we have a cyclone right here. It doesn't have the stuff on, but here's a cyclone. I can't really see the chopper in there right now, but yeah. Right here is a P-50. This thing is humongous. It is seriously huge. You can see the chopper in there. Man, so huge. And then right here is a P-15, it looks like. Yeah, P-15. And then there's the gearbox, the rotator for the P-50, which is pretty cool. Looks like rotted wood for the pole. So then as we come over here, we got some new poles for the new American Signal sirens they're going to ship out. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We got some more poles over here. We got an American Signal I-Force and T128, I believe. Not sure. I believe it's, yeah, T128 DC. So yeah, there's a bunch of wheelings up there. There's some more cyclones over here. This is another cyclone here, another cyclone, a T128, well, let's see, yeah, it's a T128, and now we have a alerter right here. That's pretty cool. You got the blower part right there, well, the output. See, all these cyclones are interesting. Looks like we have the things that they put on top of the pole to mount them. We got a super banshee right here. And even more cyclones, which is really cool. And there's not much else, but if we come over here, there's some more parts for an alerter. And I'm not sure, but there's like a P10 horn back here or something. I don't know what it is, but that's definitely not a P-50 horn. I'm not sure what it is, but that thing is huge still. The P-15 one is much smaller. So I guess we will never know what this one is. We'll eventually find out, I'm sure, but not yet. So that's pretty much a walkthrough of the American Signal. Sorry guys, I guess I wasn't really done with the tour. There's some more stuff back here. Sorry about that. There's some T128s here, a bunch of them, like a holy grail amount of T128s. Man, they're really huge. And then we got another one right here, another one right here, and we got some control boxes right here. And then, like I showed you already, the wheelings are up there. A bunch of pole parts and stuff. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.